can take one and translate, because every month has a different salud. Salud.
So you get here.
Yeah, different kind of plastics. We also have different kind of wood, of other things, and I'll put them in next.
Okay.
So here we have. We explain the different kind of plastics, so you can recognize them when you see a plastic bottle or something. And in this side, we say which one of these is dangerous for your health, and it's okay to use it, and which we can recycle them or upcycle them.
Oh.
Plants we can plant in our small garden, and those colors that the bees prefer and the butterflies prefer.
Oh, right.
It's independent of the color, and also those plants are very good for our health. So we help bees and butterflies, but also
And ourselves.
too. And here is with those plants why they are good for our health. And how to use them. And here we have how you can do your own paper pounder, and then you can do things with this at home. For example, you can reuse napkins, used napkins, and you can boil them and make your own glue, and then you can do things that they last forever. Too hard.
So from a napkin you get.
Pulpa.
You mean that from a napkin you can
Yes,
get
from
glue?
napkins. I'll show you then.
Wow.
Things from napkins. They are too strong.
Yeah.
More than wood.
Wow.
And you can do it at home. Very easy. And here is how you use it. Okay. For example, here the pictography. You know pictograms.
Yes.
And now they do all the pictograms globally to be the same. So you will notice at the bottles and packages, they're the new pictograms. So when you buy something, you know when you do damage to yourself or the environment. And here are the old ones. Maybe you know them.
Yeah.
If you noticed in cleaning products.
Yeah.
And what they cause if you use them. Here is a few things about toothbrushes and toothpastes. Toothbrushes, now it's a fashion to use bamboo.
Yeah.
But there's a problem with bamboo. Because all the globe needs more bamboo, and they grow too many bamboo plants, and they destroy the microclimates there when they grow it. So it's good to use bamboo when you have bamboo in your country.
Yeah.
Or not for a toothbrush that is going to, you need in 3 months a new
one. Yeah.
one, because it's not only bamboo, there's nylon there.
Yeah.
And nylon, it's not good for us, for everybody, and you not recycle it. So it's not a good idea. And here we have information about toothpaste, what they have in
The toothpaste.
Yeah,
Wow.
toothpaste. And if you do research about toothpastes, all of the kinds, what they have inside, you understand that sometimes this is because if you use toothpaste at night, then in the morning your mouth, it smells awfully and you need to brush them again. It's the same when if you use chemicals, then all the talimata, they become stones, and then you have to
remove them.
It happens the same with our teeth, because those chemicals with our physical liquids, how we call them, inside our mouth, they've done a new chemical
Mm-hmm.
condition
Yeah.
that it needs to brush all the time.
Yeah.
It require
Yes, requires.
you
So you are in the fabulous cyclus,
Yeah.
and you can stop them because of this. And or maybe if it's impossible for you to change the habits and do something else, you have to change the toothpaste because it's not good. These same chemicals. You see here it's a map of Greece.
Yeah.
And all those red
Areas are
Areas,
are in
they're in
danger of
danger.
becoming a desert.
I'm sure you have the same map in Spain, so
Yeah, sure.
you can see what happens and how we can avoid this. And something that people doesn't care a lot about this, it calls. You see here is the misvac.
Yeah.
Instead of toothpaste, and you can go around and see it. This is from Persica sylvatica, I think.
And what do you do with it? You cut it in pieces?
You chewing the eggs,
Uh-huh.
and you take off the hard part, and then you do
It's like a
your
brush.
It becomes like a brush, and you do it like this, and then you cut it in 1 month, and use
Show
The
me.
next one.
without toothpaste.
no, it's only this,
Only this.
and makes so clean the teeth, and
So it's black.
then if you eat afterwards, the food, it doesn't stop there. It goes.